The #1 pick and shovel play in the marijuana sector. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Hi guys, in today's video, I want to go over a company that we went over before, but I'm heavily bullish on this company. I want you guys really to take notice of this company. Maybe you're not familiar with the marijuana industry. Maybe you are. But this company here, I feel like it's the best pick and shovel play for this industry, and I'm going to break it down for you, and I'm going to tell you why within this video. Very important you stay to the end, because I feel like this video at this price range where this stock is at right now can really benefit you guys in terms of making some profits long term. Okay, everybody focuses on, in the marijuana sector, everybody focuses in on companies that are producing, that are producers, right? We have companies like Tilray, we have companies like SNDL, we have all kinds of different companies. Well, within those companies, there's going to be a lot of competition, okay? So that means the market share for each company is getting reduced. And as time goes by, there's going to be more and more companies, more and more competition, right? So I'm gonna describe this company to you. I'm gonna go over it real quick. We already did a video before. If you missed that video, click here and you'll be able to see that video, okay? So the name of the company that we're speaking about is Sspk Acquisition, which is a SPAC, but they're merging with Weedmaps. Weedmaps, okay guys? Currently trading at 1964, which for me presents a huge buying opportunity. This stock has ran up all the way to about $30, okay? High 20s. Currently, we do have 300 shares on this stock. Now, I was invested in it. When I made that video, I think we got in like around 12 bucks. We ran it all the way up, guys, okay? I cashed out. I was selling along the way because I had a lot of shares. Then I went and got opportunities. With these SPACs, you gotta know that you gotta get rid of some of your shares along the way, because they do run up all the way and they do come down. We've seen them come down. However, within the last couple of weeks, you've seen that this company, Sspk Acquisition, Weedmaps, has really held its ground compared to many other SPACs, okay? So this company here, I think has a great potential, and I'm going to break it down for you, okay? Currently invested 300 shares at an average cost of $20.91. I want to get that average below 20, and I want to build up anywhere from 500 to 700 shares, and this is going to be the perfect time to do it, guys. Okay, let me get into something real quick. For those that don't know, Weedmaps is a online advertising platform for MJ. Okay, guys, it's an online advertising platform. Now, they're not just an online advertising platform; they're the #1 online advertisement platform. Okay, in the whole U.S. So just think about that. Their competition is very minimal. The next big competition, I think, is Ease, but they have no type of market share like what Weedmaps does. Now, I want to show you, if you're not familiar with Weedmaps, I want to show you there. When you go on their website, you usually get this image here, which is a map of where you're located, and it tells you every pin that you see here on the screen is basically a pin of a certain company that pays Weedmaps to advertise on their platform, guys. To advertise on their platform. So every single pin you see here in the LA area, every single pin is paying an advertisement fee. Now that advertisement fee can range from $500 all the way up to $5,000 to $10,000, depending on how much advertisement this company has. Now, if you multiply that within all these pins you see here, you're gonna see that it's a lot of money, guys. A lot of money. So that in turn will continue to grow within the next couple of years as weed becomes legalized in other states, okay? So in my opinion, this company is just getting started. But just to give you a little bit of history on the revenue and the revenue growth, I'm going to step in this this chart here, which is an amazing chart that shows you and breaks you down everything, okay? There's I'm gonna read off a little bit of information so you can get a little bit of more information, okay? Cannabis advertising giant Weedmaps hopes to boost its revenues over the next 3 years by a whopping 175%, okay? And investors are wagering the California-based company can deliver on that gold. Guys, I mentioned before in my other video that I have been involved in this sector for quite some time, and this company here is the #1 company. Guys, don't sleep on this company. It's the #1 company, and you guys will see within the next couple of years that this price that you're seeing right now at 19 will blow up. Okay, I'm just giving you this advice. I'm connecting the dots for you. I've already been involved here. I know this company. I know people that work at this company. It's a very solid company, okay? And their CEO is great too. Let me read this off to you. The stock, which trades under Sspk on the Nasdaq, climbed another 22% after the company filed a Form S-4 with the U.S. Securities Exchange Commission that includes the audited financials and more details about the deal and the company operations, okay? This is important. In Weedmaps, investors see a profitable, high margin, fast growing, and tech and software business that happens to be tied to the cannabis sales, but one that does not touch the plant. Why is that important? I'll tell you why that's important. Not touching the plant allows the company to enjoy higher trading volume on the Nasdaq, be owned by the traditional investment institutions, and avoid IRS Section 280E to pay typical business tax rates. You get that, guys? So what does that mean? That means they don't touch the plant. Therefore, big institutions can go ahead and load the boat on these guys and not fear that, you know what, one day, you know, if anything happens in the future with the laws and stuff like that, they won't be influenced with that, okay? That's very important. Now, this is the most eye-catching information for me, and I want to pass it on to you, okay? We're going to go over revenue growth. From 2015, which was before cannabis was even legalized as anybody can use it, right? Recreational, anybody can use it, okay? Back in 2015, their revenue was 43. 2016, 61 million. 2017, 90. 2018, we got jumped to 101. 2019, now we're getting more closer to the recreational. 144, guys. That's a 43% year-over growth, okay? 2020, 160, okay? And in 2021, they're estimated to grow from 160 all the way to 205. But look at these numbers, guys. 2022, as more states become legalized, as more states open up to this, and I'll tell you what, because of the situation we're in with the COVID, I'll tell you what, more states are going to be open. We just heard New Jersey, New York, they're open for this, okay? Why? They want to generate tax. They want to generate income, okay? So they're going to be open to this sector. Now we see 2022, 300 million estimated, and in 2023 we're going to $40 million, guys. This company, at this current price, you're getting an awesome opportunity to jump in this sector. If you're not involved yet, I would suggest, and this is not financial advice, that this is a wonderful picks and shovels play. Because why? Their competition is minimal. The sector's competition, when we're talking about MJ, we're talking about competition within a bunch of companies. They got a lot of competition, okay? A lot of growers out there, a lot of sellers out there, but Weedmaps comes at you from a different perspective, and they're collecting money from all the competition. Their platform offers advertisement for the producers, for the big companies like Stizzy, okay, and people buying it, okay? So if you look at it, you're saying, wow, you got an opportunity to own this company at this price, very reduced right now, and it has great uptrend, okay? That's just my opinion, guys. With that, I wanted to conclude the video. I just want to give you an update on this company. I think it's an awesome opportunity to buy right now. If you found any of this information informative, please like and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell. That way you get all the videos when they just come out, okay? Also, if you haven't followed us yet, follow us at Twitter, at InvestingOG on Twitter, okay, guys? With that, guys, you have yourself a wonderful day. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.